Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these crispy, chewy Korean rice cake skewers. If you're a big fan of tteokbokki, you're going to love this one. This one's taking it to the next level. To start, we're going to bring a pot of water to boil. We're then going to drop in our frozen rice cakes and let that cook through for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you keep stirring as the rice cakes are cooking so they don't stick together. After the 2 to 3 minutes have passed, drain and transfer your rice cakes to a bowl. And then we're going to add some sesame oil, just a little splash, to help them not stick together. Once the rice cakes have slightly cooled down, we're going to grab our bamboo skewers and add 5 rice cakes to each skewer. We're going to keep doing this until we've skewered all of our rice cakes. Next, we're going to heat up a pan, add some oil, and add our rice cake. Now we're just going to pan fry our skewers for roughly 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they reach a nice golden brown color. Keep pan frying and flipping your rice cakes till they start to look like this. Okay, putting those little guys aside, we're going to get started on our gochujang base sauce. We're going to add some oil to a hot pan. Then we're going to grab our 3 tablespoons of gochujang and add that straight in. We're going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a tablespoon of honey. Get that all in there, get them mingling, and make sure it's combined well. Keep stirring for roughly 1 minute till we get a cohesive, glossy gochujang sauce. Now onto the fun part. We're going to grab a pastry brush and brush on our gochujang base sauce all over the rice cakes. So brush it on both sides, brush it on the sides, get into every nook and cranny. And look how gorgeous that is, that bright fiery red colour, absolutely delicious. And just repeat the same step for all your remaining rice cake skewers. And one last step before we can start digging in. It's really up to you on how you want to garnish your rice cake skewers, but I'm going to show you 2 different options. The first one is with a confetti of sesame seeds and spring onion. It's super simple but super delicious. And the second option I'm going to show you is a little bit more extra. I'm going to grab some grated cheese and top it on our rice cake skewers. I'm then just going to put them in the oven and quickly grill them until the cheese is nice and oozy, gooey, and just super melty. And there you guys have it, spicy Korean rice cake skewers. They're spicy, sticky, sweet, salty, crispy, chewy, and just everything you want in a snack. Oh yeah, check out that cheese pool. Let's eat. How easy was that? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.